Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of editing your birthday on Snapchat. Whether you want to correct an incorrect birth date or update your birthday information, this full guide will walk you through each step. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Locate the Snapchat icon, either on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, you'll find the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your Snapchat profile. Step 3. In your profile, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner. This is the Snapchat settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the birthday option. Tap on it to access your birthday settings. Step 5. Within the birthday settings, you'll see your current birthday displayed. To edit it, simply tap on your birthday and make the necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can easily edit your birthday on Snapchat and ensure that your profile reflects the correct information. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.